Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media Hub 5X blinking blue light, what it means and how to fix. 1. Check router power. Make sure your Virgin Media Hub 5X is properly plugged into the power socket and turned on. 2. Wait for full startup. A blinking blue light usually means the router is trying to connect to the network. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for it to finish booting. 3. Check coaxial cable. Ensure the coax cable connected to the router and wall outlet is tight and not loose. 4. Restart the router. Turn off the router, unplug it from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. 5. Check service status. Sometimes the issue is due to a Virgin Media network outage in your area. 6. Inspect internet cable. Look for any damaged or bent cables connected to the router. 7. Move the router to an open area. Keep the router in a central and open location to ensure proper signal reception. 8. Perform a soft reset. Press the reset button on the back of the router for 10 seconds using a paperclip. 9. Check firmware update. Log in to the router admin panel and check if a firmware update is available. 10. Contact Virgin Media support. If the blue light keeps blinking for a long time, contact Virgin Media customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching.